Welcome to our VARK video. VARK helps you to learn better by understanding how you learn best. This video is for individuals with an oral preference. The key to learning with an oral preference is listening, talking, discussing, questioning, and recalling of information, whether spoken or heard. Some strategies for the oral learner include listening to the idea of others, verbal feedback, experts, podcasts and audiobooks, stories, jokes and anecdotes, and to self-talk. Here are some strategies for talking. Argue a viewpoint, share your ideas, speak your understanding, explain how to, describe images, make witty comments, read aloud and record your notes, give instructions. Strategies for the oral learner can include both listening and talking. These include the exchange of ideas, participating in meetings and discussions, joining online chats, and having phone conversations. Here are some additional strategies for those in education with an oral preference. Attend classes, lectures, and tutorials. Ask questions and discuss topics with your teachers and other students. Use rhymes and mnemonics to remember concepts. Practice previous exam papers and speak your answers aloud. Here are some additional strategies for those in the workplace with an oral preference. Listen to experts. Participate in discussions, meetings, and opportunities for information sharing. Join colleagues for informal conversations. Participate in online chats and listen to podcasts about your area of expertise. Download our oral help sheet for additional information for individuals with an oral preference.